All right, so this one right here, it asks us to, first of all, question 1, create a circle with center A, radius of B. I'm going to ask the same questions each time. Which of this piece of device represents the center? Which of this device represents the center? The point, right there, correct? So just follow in that direction. I'm going to take A, and there's going to be my center. For some reason, we do not like that word right there, with. Oh. Sorry, I'm actually filming. You just couldn't see it up there. All right. So we actually don't like the word with. We leave that out. So most of you took it, you put your point at A, and you drew a circle because you already had a radius set. So you're like, hey, I'll just draw it right here. But it actually has the ability to draw the exact length it tells me of radius AB, correct? And there it is. So now, and there it is. I understand it's not real dark, but hey, it's a circle that has radius AB. Do we agree that I did question 1? Question 2 says estimate a midpoint. I saw one person in here referencing back to the thing we did at the beginning of class yesterday to see if they actually saw any of these terms. Which of that statement right there, estimate a midpoint, creates confusion? How many of you don't know what estimate means? Does that mean it's going to be exact and perfect? Does that mean that people right across from you might actually have the same one? No. It says estimate. What does midpoint mean? Middle. So I'm going to look. I'm going to say, you know what? Maybe right there. How many of you measured the segment and said that's the middle? Yeah. Good for you. I like you people. However, it's not what it asked you to do, but at least you jumped there because you had a devised plan of how to do that. Okay? And so I'm just going to say that's estimating the middle. Then it says create a circle with center at B. What represents our center again? The point. And so I'm going to talk about this one. What represents the center on this one? The little circle metal thing, correct? So center at B and the radius BC. So I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to find the dot that hits at C. And it's right there. Right there. So I'm going to draw a circle. There. Okay? And so now it says this creates two sections of points, or two intersection points. So I have a point right here that's an intersection, and a point right there that's an intersection. Do y'all agree with that? All right, and so it says label 1 towards the top of the page as D, so that's D, and label the one at the bottom as E, so that's E, correct? And so therefore I have fulfilled that requirement. Moving on to the last question, use a straight edge to connect points A to D. Now when it says the word straight edge, does that mean ruler? It doesn't mean that. Corner of my desk is a straight edge. My ID, my credit card, it's just asking to draw a straight line. What that's trying to get you to do is make sure that you don't try to freehand it. Okay? Don't freehand anything in geometry. So I'm connecting both of those to make triangle ADE. Okay? Lightly shade it with your pencil. So there's my triangle. We all agree? All right.